Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change language in Yahoo Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll need to access your Yahoo account by opening your preferred web browser and typing in login.yahoo.com. Once you're inside your account, the next step is to update your language settings. To do this, click on your profile name and select Manage Your Account. On this page, look for the Personal Info section, which can usually be found in your account menu or somewhere on your dashboard. Click on Personal Info, and you'll be redirected to a page containing all of your account details. Within this section, scroll down to Preferences, and you'll see an option labeled Languages. Click on it, and then click the icon, and a list of available languages will appear, giving you a range of options to choose from. Scroll through the list and select the language you want. Once you've picked your language, make sure to save your changes by clicking Done. This step is important because it confirms and applies your new settings. And that's it. So that is how you can change language in Yahoo Mail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.